Hey guys, today I am going to use what is in this box to finish my face. So if that sounds interesting, stick around. We're going to get started in just a second. If you're new here, hi, I'm Annie. I am a 40-something lover of color who believes that you can have fun with color at any age. If that sounds fun or interesting, if you'd like to see a little more color in your timeline, if you love indie makeup and color as much as I do and as much as I know my subscribers here do, I would love it if you would stick around. So speaking of indie makeup, this is the GlamLite Foodie box. So yeah, in here are some products meant to make an amazing look. So here we go. I guess we're going to open this up. Full disclosure, I did open this already and unpackage everything. This was not like a surprise box because they released everything about what was going to be in the box when they posted on Instagram. So yes, I did purchase this. Oh, how much did I pay? I can't remember. I'll put the price here somewhere on the screen. But yes, I did purchase this myself. So in here, again, this is clearly a Mexican food themed box. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we've got going on here. All right. So I'm going to talk about the first two things here first because I'm not going to use that. And that are those are two pairs of lashes. So you have these ones here, which are the, I think, Michelada lashes, and they are very like full and fluffy, very, very, very dramatic lashes. And then we have the GlamLite Taco lashes. Oh, this is the, I was going to say shade. This is the style Pollo. So they look like this. These ones are a little more subdued. They're not quite as wild as the other ones, but they do still have quite a bit of flair to them. And then again, these ones, these are Fiesta. So yeah, these are your party lashes, girls and guys. So I'm going to put those aside. I'm not going to use those today. I don't wear lashes because I wear glasses. And also I suck at applying them because I get glue all over my face. So we just don't. The next two things, I'm going to be using one of these today. I'm not sure which one yet. I have some lip glosses. This is the Agua Fresca. It looks like this. The packaging is absolutely adorable. So let's open this up and take a peek at this shade. This is a beautiful, beautiful pink shade. It looks like this. Very sparkly. I'll go ahead and give it a little swatch here on the back of my hand. And I don't know if you can see that because it's a gloss and it's pink, but that's what it looks like. It does have a slight scent of strawberries, which I adore. I love strawberries. They're one of my absolute favorite things in life. And then the other one that is here is, I don't know, Champurrado maybe. It is this one. It looks like coffee and chocolate and cinnamon flavored, scented. And it looks like this. Exactly what you would think a chocolate coffee cinnamon lip gloss might look like. And we're going to go ahead and swatch it here as well. And so that's this one right here. And this one also smells slightly of chocolate. I get mostly coffee out of this. I'm not mad about that. I love coffee. Coffee doesn't love me. All right, so I'm going to use one of those today. And then the other things in this box are, I'm going to say this wrong, I know. Concha? I don't know. This is a highlighter and it is so cute, you guys. It looks like this. It's one of those little pastries that I adore. They are so good. And then it is like a purpley shade here. Go ahead and swatch that too. Just lightly though, because I forgot to take a picture of it. So I think that will work on my skin tone if I use the right brush. We shall see. It is really pretty though. And of course, the star of the box is an eyeshadow palette. They included one of their little street taco palettes. So it looks like this, and here's the back of the box showing you the shades. And we are going to pull it out. There it is. It is so adorable. I love that it says do not eat on it. And there are the shades. This is my kind of palette. Given the luck I've been having with BoxyCharm palettes lately, it is very nice to see some color in my life. All right, so we are going to use this palette today. We are going to use the highlighter and we are going to use one of the lip glosses. I'm going to set this box aside out of my way here. I am going to move all of these other things aside and we are just going to zoom in and then we're going to get started with this. Okay, so I think what I want to do is I want to play with the mattes, these three mattes right here, and then I want to use the green shimmer, and I'm going to use the green matte under my eye. So that is my plan. So we're going to start with Picante, which is this orange shade here. It is very bright. My camera does not pick up super bright colors very well. It is like super bright and beautiful, and I am here for it. So I'm going to take a little bit of that on this Morphe M441, and I am going to pop that in the inner portion here. I have already primed my eyes using my MAC paint pot in Soft Ochre. We are going to lay that down. Nothing out of the ordinary here, that's what I'm trying to say. This is beautifully pigmented, just like I would expect from a GlamLite shadow. That went down very easily and blended out just as easily. That's very pretty. If I seem very off today, I am. It is, first of all, it's hecka early. It is 5:23 at the moment. I've been up since 4:30, but I didn't sleep very well last night because we have a very large fire near us, and there have been evacuations, and I'm hoping that they can stop it. It is currently in like one of my favorite like redwood forests, so that makes me very sad. So yeah, that's kind of where I am right now. So just so you know, if I seem very distracted and very out of it, I kind of am. Didn't sleep very well last night, worry. We go through this every year. For the last 3 years, we have had to evacuate twice. So yeah. Anyway, let's continue on. We are going to go into the shade Al Pastor now, which is this kind of pinky shade. And we are going to lay that down right next to the Picante shade. Again, that totally just goes on beautifully, fully pigmented. It's amazing. I should say this is the Morphe M433 brush. That was very easy. Super easy. Okay, let's go in with the purple, which is Repollo Rojo. I guess that's how you say it. I don't know. There. We are going to go in with that out here in the outer V area. This one is taking a little bit longer to get where I want it to be, but I am going in pretty sparingly. All right, I think I'm happy with the way that is looking. Okay, yeah, I like this. It's looking absolutely beautiful. I'm super happy with the way all of this is going. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that Al Pastor shade because I wanna kind of beef that kind of brightness there up a little bit. And now we're gonna go in with that shade Guacamole, which is this lime green shimmer. I'm so excited about this. I love these kinds of shades. I just do. I think they're gorgeous. Where is my brush? Right there in front of my face. Okay. Of course we have to use our glitter primer. Oh my. Okay, that is really, really pretty. This is, oh goodness. I love it. It's so pretty. So, so pretty. I don't love the way I shaped it today though. I don't know. I think we're gonna have to live with it though. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I love that. So this is one of those like chunky shades that I just absolutely adore. I am a big fan of like chunky shimmers. I think they're the best because they're just so beautiful. They're so sparkly and gorgeous. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that purple shade just here on the outer corner. I'm just going to kind of tap it. I'm not blending it all. I just want to make sure that those guys are meshed together as much as they can be, despite being completely opposite shades. I am just so in love with that. I think that is adorable. So for my lower lash line, I'm first going to apply some LA Girl neon liner in the shade, what is this? Gotcha. So I'm going to add that, and then we're going to go in with the shade Limon, and we're just going to blend that underneath. So I will probably cut out the applying of eyeliner because I make weird faces and I don't like it. So, but then we'll be back for the shadow. Okay, so let's go ahead in with that green shadow. I'm just going to pick this up on a Luxie, oh not Luxie, this is a Lavish eye shading brush, and I am just going to shade it under my eyes. I am super in love with this. I think it's adorable. For my inner corner, I don't feel like there's really an inner corner shade that I want to use here. So I think what I'm going to do is just pull into another palette. So I'll do that off of camera. But let's go ahead and add the highlighter. So let's pull that out. This is just so cute. I am going to pick that up. Hopefully this will work and I won't look crazy. I'm going to pick that up on, this is just my Kaleidos highlighting brush, and we're going to give it a go here. Oh yeah, that totally works with my skin tone. Whether it totally works with my eye look is another story, but this is the world we live in. All right, so for lips, well, I've got this lip oil on at the moment, so I should probably take that off. As much as I want to use the Agua Fresca, I think I'm actually going to go in with the other one just because that one is very, very pink and I don't have a whole lot of pink going on here. So we're going to use this one here instead. It's really nicely pigmented. The wand is very stiff though. I like a little bit of give to my wand because I feel like I can really like get into all of the places. The formula feels really nice. It is not sticky at all. I don't feel like my lips are sticking together. I don't have any of those weird lines, you know, that you get that you look like you're like a swamp monster or something. So I don't have any of those. So it is very comfortable. It feels light on the lips. Yeah, I really like it. I don't feel, it feels nice. It feels almost like one of those lip oils I just had on. So I'm going to add an inner corner highlight. I'm going to put some mascara on and some blush because I haven't put on a powder blush yet. And of course I need to, yeah, that's a little dark for my skin, I think, but oh well. And I need to, yeah. So I'm going to go do all those things and then I'll be back and show you guys the final look. So here is the final eye look. Okay, so here is the final look using these 3 items from my foodie box from GlamLite. Of course, the palette I think is beautiful. I mean, to be honest, I never picked up the taco palette because I don't know, it just didn't like aesthetically super appeal to me, but now that I see this little one in person, I'm like, maybe I need that big taco palette because this is so cute. I love it. It's just adorable and I'm super happy to have it in my collection. So I may wind up picking up that big one as well. That was great. As for the highlighter, it is really pretty, but it is just a smidgen too dark for my super pale, never change color skin. I'm literally this color all year long. I literally went to Hawaii and came back this color. I do not change colors. So I do like it and I will use it, but I have to use it sparingly. Otherwise I will look like, I don't know, I will look crazy because I will have a big purple stripe all over my face. But I do like it. I think the formula is nice. It's a really nice kind of wet sheen, which is kind of what I like in a highlighter. Although, let's be honest, I don't mind a glitter either. I love all the highlight. And as for this lip gloss formula, this is fantastic. It is not sticky at all. It is so comfortable. It feels just like I have an oil on my lips. It doesn't feel at all like one of those heavy gloopy lip glosses. And it's got this beautiful color to it. I think it's beautiful on my lips and I'm super happy with this, and I cannot wait to try out the pink one because strawberries and pink, and I love all things like that. So I'm going to go because it is, you know, time for me to eat some breakfast before I head out the door. But yeah, wish me luck today because again, we have smoke in our sky. We have ash falling in our city. Again, this is the 4th year in a row. In the last, I think I said it earlier, but I'm going to say it again. In the last 3 years, we have been evacuated twice. And yeah, it's a little scary around here right now. So please keep me and my family and all of us here in Northern California in your thoughts. Yeah, so if you liked today's video, please don't forget to leave a like down below. And if you're not already, I would love it if you would subscribe. Next to subscribe is that little bell. If you ring that bell, you'll be notified of all of my uploads. And of course, you can find me on Instagram at @SeeMyBliss_beauty. And I am, like I said, I'm going to go. So until next time, if you leave your house, please, please, please remember to wear your mask, wash your hands, be kind to your friends, be kind to your families, be kind to your neighbors. Stay safe out there, you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.